Here we have our Blue Point Pocket IQ. I got this because it gives you some two-way communication with the vehicle, and it's really good with medium-duty trucks, Isuzu NPRs, some of the smaller bobtails. It'll read that software, and it helps me at work when I need to do regeneration. But on occasion, we can hook her up, scan a car with it, and it does a pretty good job. So we're going to turn the scanner on. We're going to put the key in the on position. I'm not going to start the vehicle, but we'll cycle the key to run. And as soon as this thing warms up, we're going to go to Connect, Scan Vehicle, OBD2 Scan. Right now, we're just going to go to View Faults. One active. Evap system leak, small leak. Okay, so we know we may have a vacuum leak under the hood somewhere. Right now, what I'm going to do is clear this. What that's telling me is that the gas cap is probably not sealing, or we have, maybe a leaky vacuum hose under there. I'll check under the hood. We'll put a new gas cap on there, and we'll see if the check engine light stays off. Zero. Our check engine light is off. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.